Our journey started with a 2-day virtual production sensitization and progressed into a 12-week bootcamp.
12 out of the 500 young people who have been trained will be taken through an incubation program to enable them extend their innovations and also their learning to the next level. And we believe that the young people who will be incubated will be able to get employment, high-end employment in virtual production.
Now the team at Genesis Design Factory played host to a Creatives Baraza, an initiative driven by Konza Technopolis that brings experienced voices to those that need it the most, the creative industry.
Today we're going to have a fireside chat. And so seated here is opportunity to have a conversation, to get to know somebody.
We've been doing this for close 1.5 to 2 months, and we're really happy. We're all from different fields. We have producers here, we have actors and photographers, we have developers. Yeah, and we're all glad to be a part of the Genesis team.
To be honest, from the training that we've got, I've learned so much more on top of that. I've also met amazing people right here. These are amazing people that you see. We've made jokes. We've laughed a lot. We've been bossed around. But again, it's part of production, to be honest.
Infrastructure enables. Imagination builds. And Kenya is trying to build a reputation around technology and standing out in advancement.
I have no doubt in my mind that there is money in creativity. It's that we must create the infrastructure to support the training and the infrastructure.
It has become very evident that this is the way. There is money to be made. There are people who are meaningfully engaged, and the impact is being felt across the globe. So support it. And the government has taken that stand.
As a government, we need to create an enabling environment to ensure that whatever you want to do, you can be able to do it and do it within the law. We need first to train, then incubate, and then monitorize. Most of the digital hubs are already constructed, the ones which needed to be constructed. And now we are at the stage of equipping. Konza playing a very pivotal role in providing the equipment, and it's good that we come to GDF. And I was talking to Konza and the others that we should incorporate film production in that syllabus so that we can grow it, especially in the centers of excellence.
And at the end of this engagement, the number one questions that many will have, or rather I hope they have, is that will be on the monetization aspect. So if you're sitting here 5 years from now, yes, we know that you're building a digital CTM, and I hope most of them will actually have a digital studio on that end. So if we do that outlook, what will Konza have done now to make that a reality?
We are looking forward to having this conversation and having this cohort and the next subsequent cohorts to be based in Konza Technopolis. So we'll do everything in our power to ensure that we create a similar environment so that you are able to scale up this kind of training opportunities that we've provided, and we'll make sure that going forward we are able to create more opportunities for all the trainees that have undergone this program.
Dealing with government changes the scale of your thinking. You're not trying to get that camera that you are hoping for. You're trying to get that camera that nobody else has in East Africa, because you're dealing with a different scale.
So it's important to also make sure that you are moving with the times, sharpen our craft, and be relevant to what is interesting the people and what would make the most impact in the nation.
There has been this myth that AI is replacing our jobs. AI formed the fourth industrial revolution, and this could be Kenya's opportunity to leap to that level.
AI will be the biggest disruptor in our lifetime, but also the biggest enabler. But then again, the main question is, how will you take advantage of it?
Working now with Konza and the Genesis Design Factory to see how AI can be used to enhance what you've been doing.
the virtual production market was valued at 2.11 billion USD in 2023. Guess the value in 2030? 6.79 billion USD. I want to see Kenya getting at least 2.5 billion USD by 2030 in virtual production.
Collaboration over competition. How many of us have our own private workstations? Job ikikam, you give yourself first priority. But we are stronger when we move together.
Everything that we are doing, let's look at it being consumed by the world, not only Kenya. So we need to be competitive out there.
We are no longer sitting down and saying the future of Kenya is there. We are in the future right now, and we are the people who are actually going to be the people who are building that future right now.
So I'm grateful that we are all going to leave knowing that we are builders from these conversations that we've been having, right?
So what I would encourage, whenever you purpose to do anything, do it like you're never going to do it again in your life.